All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to lay out a YouTube thumbnail. So let's just get started real quick. In Illustrator, you're going to want to put it at 1920 pixels by 1080. That's the overall like screen size for YouTube. And then what I've done here, and by the way, you can grab this thumbnail. Just there's a link in my description or a pinned comment or both. Just click on that and then you just download it. Right, boom, right there. There's no strings attached. So then you could just jump in and go. But let me go over a couple things. So this area right here, like inside of this, we call it the safe zone, and they have similar things in like printing and just TV and stuff. You just you can have an image or whatever you want back there, but just make sure you don't care about it. If it's text or something that's really important, don't have it come all the way to the edge. Give it in here a little bit, just in case whatever happens down the road. YouTube adds little borders that go all the way around or something. We don't know. So keep it safe. So keep everything really important inside of this area. And just, when you're using this thing, just grab all this stuff and delete it or save it as a new one. You don't have to use this stuff, obviously. But, and, you can type on this, but in this area here, this is what we're going to do, the title area. So you want to keep this part, it's generally, from what I've seen and heard, is keep them up in the top left. It's better for mobile view. I don't know, because they don't have as many. You can't see as many of them as one time in the related videos and whatnot. And then we have, yeah, this is the whole area, this whole pink area over here. Just this is where you want whatever it is, someone's face, the product, whatever it may be. And down here, that's where the YouTube puts how long your video is. So it's going to say like 2 minutes 50 seconds or 1 hour 45 right here. So you don't want anything right there that you care about as well, because it's going to get covered up just on the thumbnail, not on the video. And that's about it. So yeah, just grab this thing from my link if you want it. Just save as a new file, delete it all, and just start over or whatever you want to do. It's all yours. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.